Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Presenting this impressive 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home for sale. It has the potential to become an income earner. It comes with 2 self-contained ground floor units, a 1-bedroom and a studio flat. This lovely home is situated in a peaceful and quiet section of Ironshore, St. James. Wake up to splendid views of the sea and the melodious sound of the birds of various species that even makes morning visitations. There is a large back porch, water tanks, and an auto gate. And an added bonus is that the over half-acre lot has many types of fruit trees. The house is comfortable and spacious with a kitchen that the chef in the family will love. Nice dining, beautiful staircase with spacious landing, family room and entertainment space. It's a property you will be pleased to call home. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $485,000 or Jamaican $74.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.